Are you trying to switch from a business account to a private one on Instagram? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. I'll walk you through each step and make the process simple and straightforward. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Account. And now at the bottom, you'll see an option called Switch Account Type. So go ahead and tap Switch Account Type. And then simply select Switch to Personal Account. And now you've successfully switched your account from a business account to a regular personal account. If you want to make your account private, tap where it says Privacy, and then toggle on this switch right next to Private Account. And now your Instagram account is private. So this is exactly how to switch a business account to a private account on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.